What is boundary spanning? It is the act of crossing, weaving, or merging many traditional border types: organisational, sectorial, professional, and policy.
They have been called input transducers, gatekeepers, unifiers, change agents, regulators, members of extra-organisational transaction structures, planners and innovators. They link pins between organisations and environment and can act in liaison roles. Boundary spanner in the art world is a professional that acts as a creative freelancer who has a vision, a mission and a concrete idea to develop, but who lacks the proper means, i.e. the funds and expertise to deliver it, and therefore chooses collaborative work as a privileged modus operandi to the end of building a temporary but strong partnership between entities from sectors that don't normally bind.
Boundary spanners can be producers, curators, artists, cultural entrepreneurs, project managers, professionals who act as boundary spanners in practice without being designated as such by an authority.
Boundary spanning behaviour in the arts is activated once an art professional starts seizing opportunities that others don't see. It is used to build and hold together the frameworks of relationships and meanings that will attract the necessary support and finance and engage those for whom it is intended. It is functional to deliver an art project by the means of partnership strategy, in which multiple stakeholders can succeed by working together. And it contributes to create a cultural value by the merit of uncommon partnerships brought together by the commitment to a common concern.
The art project is a boundary object, a thing, that is part of multiple social worlds and facilitates communication between them. It must simultaneously be concrete and abstract. The object is an item, an exhibition, a festival, an event, placed at the intersection of two or more disparate entities, without fully belonging to any of them, but which has been accepted as a communal ground and a site to perform partnership working.
Where does all this happen? Within the creative ecosystem. Art worlds are part of a larger social organisation where complex interdependencies shape the demand for and production of arts and cultural offerings. It is the entire system for which creative activity emerges, including three basic elements that essentially involve creative person, the creative project, and the creative environment, as well as the functional relationships which connect them.
The boundary spanner is an art professional located within the creative ecosystem, whose boundary spanning behaviour is meant to build strong, temporary, uncommon partnerships. Members of this peculiar partnership find a common ground by engineering together a boundary object, which is the art project instigated by the boundary spanner and the final aim of their communal work to deliver value.